guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's YouTube video, we're gonna be unboxing a mystery box from Yourstruly, y'all. I'm so excited. I think I hear a necklace moving around, so let's get right into it. We're not even gonna hold off on it. Let's get right into it. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. Drop down in the comment section below if you have any more videos you'd like for me to do. Yeah, let me make sure my hands clean. Y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So excited. Oh, it's so cute. Look, y'all. Y'all, look at this first one. Y'all, look at this. Oh my God. What's the second one? Y'all, come on, y'all. Y'all don't understand. Y'all. Y'all, oh my God. I know I keep saying it, but y'all don't understand. Oh my God. Look at it. Look at it. What else in here? Oh, lanyard. This is cute. Y'all. Okay, that's my shipping paper. Oh, a pack of stickers. Aww. Let's open the stickers. Yo, my laptop about to be the freshest laptop on the block. I'm not playing, y'all. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for Thanksgiving since this. Yourstruly. Oh, obviously Yourstruly. Y'all, I'm so excited. I think I love you. I think I love you. Fake smiles. What's this one? Stuck in my ways. Alright, is this one empty? Gotta make sure it's empty. This one empty. On to the next one. On to the next one. I'm so excited for this one. I don't know why. Let me put my lanyard on, y'all. Yes. No, they didn't. No, they didn't. Bruh. Bruh. Look. Is that the same shirt? Wait, is that the same shirt? No, it's not. Look. Wait. They sent me the same clothes. Y'all. Another lanyard? Oh my God. And another package. Yo. Only ordered once. Y'all. Oh my God! Giveaway coming soon, bruh. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. Y'all. Bruh. I ordered once. Let me show y'all. Y'all, I ordered one. Ordered one. They gave me two. This is unbelievable.